guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to make a t-shirt for my husband with the Sublimation printer. And I've done this same shirt for him, but in black. And he wants another one just on a different color shirt. So I'm just going to walk you through it. What I have here, if you see that there's a square behind the image. It's a white square because my husband wants that square on his shirt. So we're going to do it that way. And what I did was I just put the image on top of the square, and then I selected it and hit attach and then hit print, then cut. That way it'll just cut around the square and not inside the square. And we're going to go ahead and click make it, and we're not going to mirror it. Then we'll hit continue. And then in previous videos I've mentioned a way to make sure that you are printing with the best quality. I'll leave the information below, and I'll also leave the link on more detail how I did that step by step. But other than that, I'll just go ahead and just write what I did below, and then leave the link to the video just in case you need more clarification. Then we're going to send it to the printer, and we're going to turn the bleed off. And I'm just going to go ahead and load the mat, and we'll go ahead and hit print. Okay, so this just came off the printer, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the mat for the Cricut to cut it. And I waited just a minute or so just to make sure that this was dry. And now we're going to go ahead and have Cricut cut it. Okay, so first I'm going to put this Cricut mat right in between the shirt. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and let me just make sure it's kind of centered so I can put the image right there in the middle. Okay, perfect. And next, we're going to do it about 3 inches down. So that's like right here. So let's just kind of put that there. And then here is this image. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of tear this off or pull it off. It's like a vinyl. So we're just going to, where we cut it on the Cricut, we're going to go ahead and pull this up. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and place it here. Now this, the Hirely, you can do, where it cuts just the letters out, but my husband actually wants it this way, so we are going to do it this way. Just so you know, there's that option. Okay, let me just make sure that looks even. And then it looks good to me. And I'm going to place some parchment paper right over it. And then going to put the Cricut press on it for about 20 seconds. Which this isn't covering the entire part, so I'm going to have to pick it up and then do the other side. Well, scoot over and do a little bit more on that side. Okay, and then we're going to make sure we get that side. And you want to make sure that when you do wash this, you wait, I think it says like 48 hours. And you want to turn it inside out. And you'll want to wash it on cold water. And I usually don't dry mine. I usually hang dry, like line dry it, hang dry it. But you can use it like on delicate delicate dry. Okay, it's still a little hot. Wow, that looks really, really nice. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know how you like it. And I'll go ahead and leave all the information below as well. And thanks again for watching, you guys. And if you don't mind, if you want to take some time and hit subscribe, I'd appreciate it. But if not, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.